Welcome back to another video where you get the latest, most up-to-date crypto analysis anywhere on the internet. My name is Ben. I'm very happy and grateful that you're here today with me, learning about the market. Let's jump straight into the analysis. So, Bitcoin, we have had this ascending channel since the beginning of 2023, so over a year now. Multiple touch points on the support line, multiple touch points on the resistance line at the top. We did break down below it at one point throughout the summer when we had a quiet period, some sell pressure at this point, but then we broke back into the channel and we've been staying around there now. A quick wick up after the ETF news, but there was buy the rumors sell the news kind of event, and we've wicked down to my target at the bottom of the channel here at 38,000 odd. Now, as you've seen, we've had a bounce up straight away, so we could well be going back up to this target of 48,000. I would say we're quite likely to get back up to 48,000 in the coming weeks, or we could get back down to about 40,000 here. But I think we're going to be staying inside this channel for now until perhaps past the halving. Yeah, as we can see, we've reached about the midway line of this channel. We could see a retracement here, in fact, to this point, and there may be some further downside at that point. But I think most likely to stay inside this channel at the moment. Maybe bounce off of 40,000 now and go around here for a little while. Even if we went all the way up to the halving at this point, up to here in March at 42,000 still around this area, before breaking the 50% line of all-time high. Okay, so that's Bitcoin inside the ascending channel. Guys, if you found value from this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of this analysis. Looking at Solana, we've had this uptrend for some time now, since October. Massive uptrend from $20 all the way up to $125. And then, so from the bottom to the top, we then come down to the 0.618 line and the fib retracement, and then we've bounced back up to the 0.786 line, which does look bullish. We've hit the bottom of this trend line here though, so we could see a retracement at $100 back down to the 0.618 at $85. That's Solana. Let's have a look at bonk coin. That's going on with bonk coin, as we've been detailing on this channel for some time now. Although I did get on into bonk very early, and I hope you did too, right before this massive run up. We've since had a bit major rejection, but we've been inside this wedge since then, and we are literally now right at the very end of this wedge. So we could see a massive breakout for bonk coin very shortly. Look out for a daily close above 0.40125, or if it closes below 108, then you can get ready to take a short. So look for those. And Wojak has been inside a wedge for some time as well, that we detailed on this channel, and I did call the breakout some time ago, some days, about 4 or 5 days ago. I called this breakout from this huge wedge, and then we have blasted up from the bottom to the top, and then we've retraced back down to the 0.5 level and back above the 0.786, which is bullish in my opinion. So the next target for Wojak, I think, is the 1.618 line, which is about 0.305 in the coming weeks, and that brings us to about this level here where we got a top back in December, local top. So looking bullish for Wojak. Thank you very much for listening, guys.